Hi guys, today I'll be looking at an Addmaths trial question. So Amir drops a ping pong ball at the height of 148 cm from the surface. After each bounce, the ball reached a height of 3 over 4 from its previous height. So from this statement, we should know that this question involves geometric progression because it involves the R, which is ratio, and the value of R is 3 over 4. As the height of a ping pong ball is 3 over 4 of the value of the previous height. So the first question, determine the number of bounces when the height of the ping pong ball is less than 20 cm. So we should know that the formula for Tn for geometric progression is AR n minus 1. Is AR n minus 1. I don't know if this formula is given during the exam or not, but this formula is very simple and I hope you guys can memorize it. So A, which is 111, R 3 over 4 n minus 1 is smaller than 20. Why I use 111? Because this is 111 and it is 3 over 4 of the previous value. So this will be our A, which will be our initial height, and our T1. So I can transfer 111 to the other side, and 3 over 4 and minus 1 will be smaller than 20 over 111. And then we can solve this question using logarithm. So log 3 over 4 and minus 1 will be smaller than log 20 over 111. So we can transfer this n minus 1 to the front. So n minus 1 log 3 over 4 will be smaller than log 20 over 111. So we will get n bigger than 6.96. So n will be equal to 7. Next question. Find the total distance traveled by the ping pong ball until it stops. So as I have mentioned before, this will be our initial height, which is equal to 111 and our T1. And this will be our T2, which is 3 over 4 of the initial value. So this will be 83.25, and then the ball will continue to bounce, in which the height of its in which the value of its current height is 3 over 4 from its previous height. So the ball will continue to bounce until the height is equal to 0. So this, which is the distance traveled by the ball, is the thing we need to find, and it is called by the word infinite, the sum to infinity of geometric progression. So the sum of infinity of geometric progression is S infinity is equal to A over 1 minus R. Our A is 111 and our R is 3 over 4. So we can get the value 444. But this is not what the question wants. The question asks us to find the total distance traveled by the ball. As you can see here, I multiply 444 by 2. You may ask why. Because 144 that I got just now is only this, until the ball drops. However, there is another half that I didn't count, which is this. So that is why I multiply this value by 2, and I plus it with 148, which is the initial height dropped by the percent Amir. So the total distance traveled by the ping pong ball will be equal to 148 plus 2 multiplied by 444. So the final answer will be 1036. This question may seem hard, but if you find it tricky, you can watch my video multiple times until you get the concept. I hope this video helps you in your study.